if I told you that picking up a pen or a paintbrush could support your sobriety better than a spreadsheet ever could? Let's talk about why creativity is more than just a pastime. It's a powerhouse in recovery. Hey there, Dr. Joe here. Did you know that April is National Poetry Month? Now, before you click away because you don't think of yourself as a poetry person, hang with me. Because whether you're into poetry, painting, or fixing up old motorcycles, creativity might just be the most underutilized tool in executive recovery. Launched in 1996, National Poetry Month celebrates poetry's role in culture and connection. But for those of us in recovery, especially professionals, high performers, and leaders, it's also a chance to remember what heals us. When we think about healing from substance use, especially for high functioning folks, we often think in terms of control, structure, goal and objective setting, and all of that has its place. But creativity does something different. It frees us. And there's lots of neuroscience behind it. Creative activities increase dopamine, reduce cortisol, and promote neuroplasticity. Engaging in creative activities, whether it's writing a poem, painting, composing music, or even knitting, boosts dopamine. That's your brain's natural reward chemical. And when you're in early or sustained recovery, especially after chronic alcohol use, your brain is hungry for positive neural reinforcement. So let's break down the benefits of regularly engaging in your creativity. Benefit number one, emotional processing. Creativity helps you process hard emotions without always needing to talk through them. Art, poetry, contemplative movement, and creative hobbies give your subconscious a voice, especially when you're not ready to articulate or verbalize your pain or confusion. Benefit number two, self discovery and identity. Creative expression helps you reclaim your identity. Addiction has a way of erasing who we are, but when you start creating, writing your story, experimenting with music, even snapping photos of beauty, you build your new self image. You're no longer the person who drinks to cope. You become a person who writes or a person who creates. That's powerful. Benefit number three, stress reduction and mindfulness. Creative activity lowers stress hormones like cortisol and calms the nervous system. Whether you're journaling, doodling, or carving wood, you're practicing mindfulness, being fully present without judgment. And that's one of the most important recovery skills. Benefit number four, healthy distraction and craving control. Cravings and racing thoughts don't just disappear. Like other emotion tied thoughts, they are energy. Being intentional about creativity gives that energy somewhere else to go. When you're immersed in a project, you're not stuck in rumination. You're redirected, using the same energy that used to fuel drinking, but now towards something that feeds you. Benefit five, connection and community. Creativity offers a unique way to connect without pressure and without the need for small talk. Whether it's an online poetry challenge or a local art class, you meet others who are also choosing to show up, create, and grow. Benefit six, cognitive restoration. For the data driven among us, there's more. Creativity supports executive function, improves memory, and helps restore prefrontal cortex functioning. These are the very brain areas most impacted by long term alcohol use. So, how can you start? You don't need to become a published poet or a professional artist. Start small. Write 3 lines about your day. Grab a coloring book. Put on music and move your body. Creativity isn't about perfection. It's about presence, about making a space for what's real and authentic. Want to take the next step? Check the link in my bio to download your free copy of Creative Prompts for Executive Recovery. It's a practical, neuroscience informed guide to help you bring creativity into your healing process, one small prompt at a time. And while you're there, grab my Executive Stress Management Workbook, designed specifically for professionals who want to manage stress and enjoy life sober without turning to alcohol or overfunctioning. Both resources are free and tailored to help high achievers thrive in recovery. Join me this April as we explore the power of creativity in recovery, starting with a pocket poem and maybe ending with a personal masterpiece.